Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I really appreciate you being here. These are short, fast. I get to the bottom line. The only advertising I do is go to my website at 777irs.com. I worked at IRS a long time. I have been doing this for 5 decades. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff that can go ahead and help you out. That's very important for you to know, because we are a quality team. We've been doing this really for a long time. So I want to, as a revenue officer, I dealt with debt of people, and many people have no idea what's going to happen when you don't respond to an IRS collection letter, especially the CP 504 and the 1058. As a revenue officer, I've seized houses and cars, boats, banks, accounts. I'm a nice guy, don't worry. That was really a long time ago, but you know, if you don't pay your tax and others do, you got to pay the fiddler, you do. But let me just explain to you so this doesn't happen to you, so I would not have to engage you as a revenue officer. If you don't respond to those letters, IRS systematically sends out notices of bank levy, send levies to anybody. They can pull up wage garnish, send out wage garnishments on you, file federal tax liens. They can seize anything they want once they file their tax lien and ask for final demand. How they do that is up to them, depending on who has the case. If the case is with the service center, they're very systematic. By the way, not a computer, not a person touches your case unless it goes down to a local revenue officer. So if you do not respond to those letters, you must know this. IRS's computer, their K2 computer system, systematically sends out these wage garnishments, and nobody even knows at IRS, because only the computer knows. Where are they going to send them? They're going to send them to your bank. They know where you've worked at, they know where you have banked at, and they know where you live, and they're going to file a federal tax lien. You must respond to the CP 504 or 1058. Don't let these go. I'm telling you now. If it's small debt, call them yourself. There's nothing wrong with calling them yourself as long as you know what you're in for when you call them. Just simply understand IRS is going to take a financial statement. Know what happens when you give them that financial statement. Real shortly, IRS is going to look at 2 things. They're going to look at your assets and your income and expenses. They are going to make sure you're living within the standard they want you to. Those are called the IRS national standards. If you are, you'll be okay. If not, you're going to have a very excessive payment to IRS. I'm here if you need me. Look up IRS national standards, understand the program, and learn how to control IRS. If you need me, you know where to get a hold of me. Give me a subscription and a like. That would be big. Thank you.